Both.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Ryan.
Miss Ryan. Yeah, I'm not married. Not married, so you can call me Miss Ryan. Miss Ryan, okay? Not Mrs. Miss Ryan.
You are not married.
No.
Your name is Ryan.
No. You see any rings? You see any rings?
Ryan Destroyer.
Yes, that's.
No. Your name is Ryan James.
I do have earrings, yeah. Like, no. Like, how many girls do you see whose earrings can do this? No, I don't think so. I don't know.
How old are you?
How old am I? How old do I look? Yang, you're in the wrong class.
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
35.
35? No. 34? No.
45.
Hey, who said 25?
1 to infinity. 30.
I said
30.
it's 45.
You said I'm 45.
Yes.
45?
30.
I think you are 25. 30. You're 23.
I'm 23. Yeah, I'm 23. No, not 28.
Mr. Ryan is 0.
I haven't been 28 for 5 years.
37.
37?
So
No.
you is 32?
33.
33, yes.
If you want to.
Okay, stop. Okay, we want to get through this. Mingha, you are first today. I told you yesterday that you will be doing your presentation first.
Oh my God. I hate.
Wow, everyone is very loud. Very loud.
Welcome to slide of
Hello.
Right, Mingha. You are
amazing
first.
job.
Welcome to the slide of Mingha. Only one slide, not more than one. One slide? 2 slides? 3,
One
4?
slide.
You have one slide. Welcome to the slide of Mingha. I like slides anyway, they're fun. I was watching a video this morning of people going down water slides. That was fun. Hey, Mingha, let's go. Mingha, present your slides, please.
Mingha.
Yes.
Bro, let's go.
Ask you to present.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you sit in a quiet place?
Okay.
That would be nice. Yay, we're going on a walk with Mingha.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's go.
Welcome to the slide of me.
Okay. What are your slides about?
I am talking about a polar bear.
Okay.
A polar bear lives in the North Pole. They eat fishes
The fish or a seal?
and they eat is in the cave.
Okay, they live in a cave.
Yeah. They live in very cold weather, so they suitable with the ozone.
Okay.
A polar bear
Okay, so tell me about this information. Like, well, what's this information for? Like, well, what does it say? Okay, so tell me the places that you did research about. You did research about
the North Pole, Tokyo, and Cambodia.
Okay. So okay, Mingha, I'm gonna stop you there. Okay, so you said polar bears live in the North Pole. A suitable home for the polar bear is North Pole instead of the North Pole.
What?
So you haven't really chosen a different place, have you? You said that polar bears live in the North Pole, but I think that they should live in the North Pole. Right? So that's not really somewhere new, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we kind of missed the point here a little bit. We've said, okay, well, like live in the North Pole, so they should stay in the North Pole. To be honest, I think a polar bear in Tokyo would be kind of funny. The Japanese polar bear or the polar bear from Cambodia where it's too hot for the polar bear. So, yeah, do you think Tokyo is the right place for the polar bear?
Yes.
Why?
Because Tokyo is cold.
It's cold. It's that you said it's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and Cambodia, you think it's the right place?
Nope.
Why?
Because it is hot.
Okay, so what you really should have done is found more places like the North Pole, like the South Pole or Canada, because you've chosen places in the temperate zone and tropical zone. So how can you compare places that aren't even in the same climate zone? So you kind of missed the point a little bit here in terms of the idea of the project, okay?
Okay.
Okay, right. Thank you, Mingha, for your slide. Right,
Teacher.
Hacker. Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah, Hacker, you're next. Hacker, it's time for your PowerPoint. Talking too much, so your turn. You can talk for us anyway. Let's go. I'm getting it now. Let's go. Okay. Okay, Hacker, present, please. Hacker, come on, present, please.
I don't know what my grandpa is here.
That's fine. He's not presenting unless he's a lion. So let's go.
And now I have the photograph for 9 to go to the lion. Overview the dialogue covering of a cat and then most living Africans. They are large pups for living cat. That is second big size only to the tiger. They live in savanna or rainforest, temperate regions or tropical zones. carnivores, so they eat all the animals except to grab the rats. The location is Africa, Savannah, Kenya, African desert, North Africa, and India forest. Africa, Savannah,
I don't need to go through it. So which one do you choose?
a new place, and the new place I wanted to live is India forest.
Okay, why?
Because they are normal weather. They're not cold, not too cold, and not too hot.
Okay, yeah, good job. Hacker, that's really good. I'm really impressed. I think it's like you put in a lot of really good information here. This is really good. Lots of information. It makes your presentation interesting. You have a good picture of a lion who looks hungry or lost. Maybe he's looking for his phone. I don't know. And then this is really good as well. It shows you did the research and you spent time and you looked at it. I'm really happy with what you did. Good job. Emma, do you think Hacker's right? Do you think the Indian forest is the best place for the lion?
I think it is kind of.
Kind of. Why kind of? Why only kind of?
Because if it's too hot, the lion will can't live.
Yeah, okay, cool. Caroline, do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. Why? What do you think? Caroline, why do you agree?
Because Africa is hot and is in tropical zones.
Hmm? So why does India match?
But I don't think so. He is correct in the climate.
For India, India is in the tropical zone, definitely. Definitely, I think that's right. The information looks good to me. Looks good. Hacker, I agree with you. Hackers disappeared. The reason I agree with you is because kind of where tigers live as well. Tigers actually live in the Indian forest. So you can get one big cat there, you can probably put the other big cat there too as well. Okay, good job. Right. So who do we have left? We have Emma, Caroline, Ocean, Nikki, she, Leo, Nikki, she, Leo, and we did Hannah, we did she, we did Conley, we did Hacker, Leo. Here we go, just 5. Sure, just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 6.
6. That's 6. Ryan can't count today, apparently. Good job, Ryan. Well done, Ryan. Okay, let's go.
Dun, dun, dun. This is gonna be fun.
Nikki, it is. Okay, let me get that for us. Oh yeah, I really like this one. Pretty good. The slides are excellent. I really like this. It looks really good. Okay, Mickey, you ready? Come on. Okay, Mickey, let's go.
Penguin. No.
Okay.
Here
So
is
what?
where the animal I choose is penguin. Penguin live in Antarctica. Antarctica is the highest, the coldest, and widest
Windiest.
on Earth.
And
Antarctica
cool.
covers 2 million kilometers. With square mile. The climate zone is the polar zone. Home. The new home for penguin is the North Ice Greenland because it is cold just like Antarctica. North Ice Greenland. The average temperature is in North Ice Greenland is 0
Degrees.
degrees Celsius. So the new home for the penguin is the North Ice Greenland.
Okay. Yeah, Mickey, it's good. It's a little bit short. Like this slide is really good. I would like to see more information about the climate there. You know, you're talking about the highest, driest, coldest, and windiest continent on the Earth. So putting in some information and then comparing it to Greenland, because you say 0 degrees Celsius, but you don't talk about the temperature here. So it's hard to compare them. So I would like to see more information to compare two places. So you saw in Hacker's presentation, he had 1, 2, 3, 4 lines and 4 tables, right? With lots of information in it. I would like you to do the same, okay? I'd like you to do the same. Okay. Now, good morning. Hello. Now, unmute yourself. Come on, quickly.
I unmute already.
Okay, cool. So, do you agree with Mickey where the penguins can move to?
Yes.
Why? Or run away. Cool. Yeah, Leo, what do you think? You think Mickey is correct?
I think she's correct.
Why do you think?
Because penguin is cold place.
Yeah, it's Greenland's a cold place. Okay, cool. Right, let's do one more quickly. Come on, quick, faster. Remove. Oh, God. Emma, great stuff. Okay, Emma, get ready. I got your presentation now. Come on. So slow. Emma, are you ready?
Finding a new home for a tiger. Let's
Okay.
start. The animal that I choose is the tiger. Tiger live in savannas. The climate is tiger live in wet and dry climate. The climate zone. Tigers live in temperate zones.
Some of the places I looked at were.
Some of the places I looked were South India, Malaysia, China, Australia, and Thailand. Conclusion. A suitable home for a tiger is Thailand.
Okay, okay, and why Thailand?
Because Thailand is near to I have many choices, so I choose Thailand.
Okay, but I'm asking you why you chose Thailand. Like, look at the information. Like, why did you choose Thailand?
Because Thailand is the climate hot and wet. The hot and wet can help tigers survive in Thailand.
Okay, so again, we're looking to find somewhere which is as close to the climate they live in now. So you think Thailand is the closest climate to India, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Ocean. Ocean, put your camera on. Okay, Ocean, do you agree with Emma?
Yes.
Okay, what country did she choose?
She choose Thai.
Okay, and why do you think she's right?
Because it's very wet.
Okay, and P. P, hello. P, hello. P, hello. Not there. Great stuff. Okay, right. Good job to everyone. So tomorrow we will have Ocean, P, Caroline, and Leo. Ocean, I have not received any slides from you. Where are they?
I can't open Google Slide because
But we can. So you
my
can do it.
mom don't.
Ocean, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 days now. You're only telling us now after 5 days that you couldn't do it. I told you on Friday, I gave you my email address, that I will not accept, I cannot do this. So Ocean, you have until tomorrow morning to get this done. You will be the first person tomorrow to do this.
My mom said don't not open Google Drive because that because
Okay, I will talk to Ocean's mom later. Okay.
Who is 9999?
Teacher, who turn now? I don't know.
Ông
Oh,
thọ.
Where's Mr. Ryan?
Who is
Bạn
9999? Oh, it's the number.
bây giờ
No.
thầy vào bây giờ các bạn trật tự nào.
Cô ai là 9999 đấy cô?
Thầy vừa thoát ra một xíu.
Wifi thầy cô.
Nào.
lên 999 thôi.
Cô yêu cầu tất cả các bạn mở cam hết lên nhá. Hôm nay cô phải
Cam của con bị
yêu cầu video rất là
hỏng.
nhiều luôn á.
Cam của con bị hỏng. Cái
Cả
cam của ai là
Ocean.
9999 á hả?
Các bạn trật tự.
Cô cam của con bị hỏng. Cô cam của ai là sửa cho. Để tí nữa đi.
Trật tự đi. Chị ơi, lúc nãy thầy gọi con nghe tiếng không?
Không à. Nhưng sao bây giờ cô hỏi cậu nghe thấy?
Mạng của thầy đang có vấn đề nha. Ocean ơi, ngày mai con phải thuyết trình nhá, nên trong từ chiều với cả tối nay cố gắng hoàn thành cái slide của mình được chưa?
Cô
Thầy nói với kia.
tối hôm qua
Ok,
có
ok.
phải ngủ đến 1-2 rưỡi đấy cô ạ. Mới làm xong cái slide.
Không đi thầy vào một kìa.
Ocean, hello.
Hello.
Okay, so Ocean, you will get your slides done before tomorrow, yes?
My mom said can't open the slide.
You can't open slides, like PowerPoint, Google Slides. I'll send you a link right now. Literally, Google Slides, easiest thing in the world. Click on this, open it up, very simple, super easy. I told you on Friday, I'm not going to accept you sitting down and saying, oh, I can't do this because it doesn't make any sense. You had 5 days to turn around and tell all of us, again, numerous times to do this, and only now I have to actually ask you to tell me. That's not good enough, in my opinion. I don't allow that. I said I wouldn't allow it. So Ocean, you get a chance there now. There we go. Click on that link. Easy. Simple. Your mom has a problem, tell your mom to talk to me. Understand? Yes, you understand?
I understand.
Cool, perfect. First thing tomorrow, Ocean, you'll be the first one to present. Okay, sorry about that, everyone. My internet is being not very
Mr.
good.
Ryan, it is not
Yes,
that is not the slide. We need to come in Google Drive and click in the word Google Drive and it will.
Mr. Ryan.
If you click anywhere here, it's going to go to slides.
Why is your Wi-Fi always there?
My Wi-Fi is always dead because I live in an apartment with a lot of teachers, and a lot of teachers are teaching at the moment. So the internet is being shared amongst all of us, unfortunately. So as a result, my Wi-Fi is not very good. And on top of that, they cut down a lot of trees where I live recently, and I'm pretty sure they cut down some wires. So the internet's not been very good either. Okay, asked you to complete question 12 for your homework. So we were looking at winds, volcanoes, and ocean currents. So Caroline, what's the answer to the first question? First one, please. In 1982 to 1983, El Nino brought heavy rain and
And flood.
floods, yes, and floods to Peru. La Nina in 2010 to 2011 caused Ming, droughts. Hands up, please. Do not just start shouting out answers. In 1991, Mount Pinatubo erupted. It blasted hot gases and what into the sky? Chi.
Yes.
What's the answer? Erupted and it blasted hot gases and
Ash.
ash. Perfect. And ash into the air. It's made the world's temperature what for next 2 years? Hannah.
This made the world's temperature higher than for normal 2 years.
Higher. Sure. Look at the information.
Lower.
A cloud of ash circled Earth. It blocked the sun's energy, causing temperatures to drop around the world for 2 years. So the temperature was lower. Okay. All of you, make sure that when you're doing a question like this, you have all the answers. All the answers are right here on the page I asked you to read before it. Right here. There we go. Answers, answers, and answers. All the answers to this are right before. If you do not know an answer, open your book, turn the page, and find the answer. Okay? It's quite easy. Okay, so I'm going to ask you all a very, very, very simple question. If you read the information you should know, is which one do you think was the worst? So you learned about El Nino, which is a wind. Learned about Mount Pinatubo, which is a volcano, and El Nino, which is a ocean current. So which one do you think had the biggest impact on the climate of the world? Which one caused the biggest change? Cindy, which one caused the biggest change? The wind, volcano, or the ocean current?
I think it's the ocean current.
Okay, why do you think the ocean current?
Because on the earth is have many water, and the ocean current is cause a lot of a biggest impact.
Interesting.
Because the ocean is very big.
Interesting. That's an interesting choice. Good job. Well done. Hacker, what do you think?
I think the biggest impact on climate of the world is
The wind, the volcano, or the ocean current?
ocean current.
Why?
Because it's big.
Okay. Right. Mickey, what do you think?
Can you say it again?
Yes. Which do you think causes the biggest impact to the world, the climate of the world? A volcano, a wind, or an ocean current?
I think it is a volcano.
Why the volcano?
Because when the volcano, the lava, it can kill many animals, trees, forests, and many
Okay, but
things.
we're talking about the climate of the world, though. Why do you think the climate changes because of volcanoes?
I think it's the.
Okay, so again, the answer to this is all here, okay? Cindy, I really like your answer. Your answer is really, really interesting because you're actually kind of right. Volcanoes erupt not that much, right? They don't always do this. Ocean currents are always moving. They're always moving. So you're really right. You did a really good job with your answer. So I want you to help me with this question, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to make a bar graph. Who knows how to make a bar graph? Mingha, seeing as you're not paying attention. What's a bar graph? What is it? Okay, right, I'll show you all. So the bar graph, you take 2 lines, one here and one here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this information, we're going to put it here to make it easier to read. So the first thing we do is we put our years. So we'll go year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. So these are the years. And then on the left-hand side, we'll put our temperature. So 53 at the top, 52, 51, and 50. And this is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this information and we're going to put it on the bar graph. So we take year 1. And Leo, what's the temperature in year 1?
Temperature in year 1 is 53 degrees Fahrenheit.
Exactly. So what we'll do is we'll draw a rectangle for 53 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's year 1. Okay. And E, what's the temperature for year 2? Kongming, quiet please. Chi, what's the temperature for year 2?
50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Excellent. Okay, so Ocean, can you draw year 3 for me? Kongming, can you draw year 4? And Cindy,
Yes.
can you draw year 5? Ocean year 3,
Okay.
Kongming year 4, and Cindy year 5. Put them onto the graph for me, please. Kongming year 4, not year 3. Ocean year 3. Okay, and Cindy year 5, please. Yes, perfect, Ocean, thank you. And Cindy, let's go, year 5. Come on, draw quickly. Let's go. Cindy, what temperature does it go to? Does it go to 51 in year 5? No. Okay, fine, cool. It's kind of cheating, but okay. So this is a chart which talks about the temperature after the volcano erupted. So Caroline, what do you think, what year did the volcano erupt? Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5?
Is year 5.
Why year 5?
Because year 5 is the highest temperature and year 1 is the highest too.
Okay, but remember what we said here. We said that it blocked the sun's energy, causing temperature to drop for 2 years. So after the volcano erupted, the temperature went down. So Mickey, what year do you think the volcano erupted?
I think year Year 5.
Okay. I'm going to tell you all, it is not year 5. Emma, what year do you think?
I think it is year 2.
Year 2. Why year 2? So what happened after the volcano erupted? The temperature got higher or lower?
The lower.
Got lower. So what about the 2 years after year 2? The temperature was?
Higher.
Yeah, okay. Anna, what do you think?
I think it is year 2 because when the volcano erupted, the temperature got lower.
Okay, cool. So all of you, what I want you to do for your homework tonight is I want you to do question 11, like I just showed you right there. And page 485 and 486. So question 11 on page 483 and pages 485 and 486. So it's question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on page 485 and 486, and question 11 on page 483. So 483 is the one we just did. So I want you to draw the graph and then choose the year you think the volcano erupted and why. Okay, why is really important. Why did you think that? Mickey, I can get you the link, don't worry, okay? We can send you the link. So Islan, Mickey doesn't have the link for the book, so we can send that to her, please. Thank you. Does anybody have any questions before we finish today?
No.
Cool, great. Well, the time what's your question?
I don't have the science book too, so you can give the link to me.
Yes, of course. You
I
have
don't have a science notebook too.
Okay, right. Anyone who does not have a science notebook, please get in contact with me or Miss Lan after the class, okay? And we will get you the, understand?
Contact with Miss Ryan or Miss.
Yeah, Miss Ryan. Cool. Let's go with Miss Ryan. In contact with Miss Ryan all the time. Okay, right, cool. Bye-bye.
My mom called you Miss Ryan, but I call Ryan.
Yeah, I'll answer twice. Doesn't matter.
You are